Okay, very good afternoon here on the 19th of November 2018. My name is Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. And you join me here on the day that we have, of course, banked profit on the dollar Swiss franc. Our take profit level was at 9976. It's roughly along this price level just here. Today you can see the bar has stormed through the take profit target, and we have banked this trade in the morning here, 11:53 a.m. We're out of the market just there on the dollar Swiss franc, banking £1,132.26 just there. So that was the dollar Swiss franc, and we have banked the trade just there. It is out of the market for a complete profit of £1,132.26. We did that with just 15 minutes a day of work, but that's not the most interesting part. The most interesting part is that when we actually took this trade, the only data that we had was what you're seeing now here on the screen. This is what that market looked like on the day that we called the market short. So our entry point into the trade was on the low of this bar. Our initial stop loss was on the high of this bar. And what we then went on to do is actually call the market short and put in our entry order, our protective stop loss, our initial stop loss. And then you can see, of course, what progressed next was the fact that the market did move lower today, hitting our profit target. And there you can see it, £132.26, bringing the balance for the year on the account to £15,482. So once again, another money bars trade in the bank, taking the reliability to above 70% for the year, which is just unbelievable for a trading strategy. It's absolutely superb performance, and we're looking forward to taking the next setup consistently regardless of the outcome. So that's pretty much it from me on this particular opportunity. If you missed the last Traders Basecamp, where we actually called another trade long as well, let me show you that one. This is the trade that we called long yesterday in the Traders Basecamp. We were telling the participants of the Traders Basecamp yesterday and over the weekend that we would adopt a long entry on the high of this bar. There's the entry. The stop order just here would be the initial stop, and today you can see that's taken the entry out. We're in the trade, and you can see it's currently in a floating net profit. So we are running that trade at the moment on the Euro Aussie dollar long. That is in net profit, and that's again another trade that was called on the Traders Basecamp. If you want to learn how to do this, you really need to be at Traders Basecamp. That's your initial entry into the world of Master the Markets, our world, and profitable trading as well, with transparent track records. You can see all of the results that we've had for the money bar strategy over the period of the year. Everything is listed here from the start of the year, the 2nd of February of 2018, 14th of February 2018 is the first trade we took, and all the way down you can see the losing trades here as well. And then this is the last winning trade there of £1,132.26 on the dollar Swiss. Everything here is transparent. We're going to teach you this trading strategy, or the basics of it at the very least, at Traders Basecamp, and of course then further in on the live trade mentorship advanced program. So that's pretty much it from me at this time. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.